Hi everyone, welcome to New Bear. I've had a request for a video on how to make dot picots, so I thought we'd look at that technique today. Knowing what a dot picot is can help with your understanding of how a dot picot is made. So a dot picot is a ring of one double stitch. The whole ring is one stitch, which gives us our dot. And dot picots can be worked in both rings and chains. Starting with a normal ring, when we reach the spot where we want our picot to be, we're going to pull a fair bit of thread off our shuttle. Sit your shuttle to the back of your hand so it's out of the way, and open up our ring. We're opening our ring quite a bit. With our stitches in the pinch, take hold of both sides of the loop and run it up between your ring finger and your pinky finger into the pinch. So we have our shuttle sitting at the back of our hand, a long loop which we're going to finger tat with, a top loop around our first three fingers, and a bottom loop anchored by our pinky. Taking hold of our long loop, we're going to finger tap one double stitch onto our top loop. So we're going under, over, flip. We want this stitch to sit right up close to the last stitch of our ring. Work the second half by going over, to under, and flip. Opening up our loop, drop your shuttle through, continuing to work with the long loop. Pulling one side will close the bottom loop around our pinky, pulling the other side will close the top loop around our three fingers. The top loop is the one we want to close. Now we want the bottom loop around our pinky. Pulling this one will close this one. Pulling on our shuttle will close our last loop. But this is the loop we're using to make our ring, so only close it enough so that it can fit back on your hand. Wind your shuttle up and finish out your ring. Dot picot on a chain is simply a thrown ring consisting of one stitch. So it's worked exactly the same way as a normal thrown ring. Using two shuttles, work your chain to the point of where you need your picot. Sit shuttle one down, take shuttle two and set up for a ring. Work your ring of one double stitch. Set up the other half of your chain. I like to work a half stitch after my thrown ring. And now finish out my chain. And that's a dot picot. See you next time.